Ready to automate your first task with Microsoft Power Automate. Creating your first flow is easier than you might think, and it's a great way to save time by automating repetitive work. In this guide, I'll show you how to create your first flow in Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. First, launch Microsoft Power Automate from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account to access your flows and available templates. Next, click Create and choose the type of flow you want to build. For beginners, a desktop flow is a good place to start because it automates tasks directly on your Windows computer. Enter a descriptive name for your flow so it's easy to recognize later. Choosing clear names makes it much easier to organize multiple automations as you create more workflows. Once the flow editor opens, add your first action from the list of available automation steps. You can launch an application, display a message, open a folder, or perform another simple task to learn how flows work. Save your flow, then click Run to test it. Watch the automation carefully to confirm that each step works correctly. If needed, make adjustments and test it again. Finally, return to My Flows, where you can edit, rename, duplicate, or delete your automation whenever you need to. As you become more familiar with Power Automate, you can build more advanced workflows using additional actions and conditions. And that's how to create your first flow in Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. Once you've built your first automation, you'll be ready to explore more advanced features and automate even more of your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.